Alright, so next up on my list of modifications that I'm going to do today, I actually went ahead and ordered something totally unnecessary, but kind of cool. I got the Toyota branded boxes. I guess Subaru has their own here. But this is actually the STI side markers, or the JDM side markers. They're actually white. So it's like the only orange part on the car, and it kind of looks weird. So I bust these open. I already opened them up, but let's take a look at them. They're in this little baggie. I'm not going to drop them or anything, hopefully, here. But they're kind of cool. They look like this. And I'm going to go ahead and pop them in with some LEDs. And obviously I have both sides, so there's a different part number for that. And this is the other side. Pop that open too, I guess. We'll take a look at it. In fact, I didn't even open this box yet. So I'm going to go ahead and open that box, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them on the car. And we'll just do a time lapse or something like that of me putting them on the car. And that's about it, because I don't feel like doing install videos for these type of things. If you need help installing these, I think it takes like you can figure it out. And if you can't, go online. There's a ton of videos on how to install these. So let's get right to it. Okay, so as you can see, I got the new ones in already, and I put my LED bulb in there also. It really wasn't hard getting this out. I used this little bit here to get the little clip out of the fender liner here, and then here's the stock one. And I used a flathead screwdriver to just pry behind it a little bit, and then when I got the two bottom clips out, I was able to pull the top one out, which is right here, and it just came right out. So no biggie. There was a little nick in the bumper here, like at the very bottom of it. You can't even see it, like, actually, because it's covered up, but it's on both sides, so I assume it's because of like some rattling with this or something. It was the same on both sides, so I just covered it up with a little bit of touch-up paint that I had. But you can see they're all ready to rock and roll to go back in, and I'm going to put them back in here as soon as this paint dries a little bit. I'm going to let them just kind of chill here for a little bit.